Late to the party. A second. What happened to my little music shit? I'm trying to figure out what the fuck happened with the music real quick. Oh shit, there it is. Hey, it's a real spirit party. You cannot get in. Moses off the drink. Jesus off the dead. I want to be a little late to the party. Let's see what's going on. So I want to start us off on this daily chart. Oh shit, I still didn't get myself all the way right. Hold on. Hey, see what we got going. We restarted, as you can see, little whiteboard in the back. That's our process tracking. For me, we're gonna restart back like we never left. Check out the market sentiment before we do anything. See what we got going on. All right. So we see the VIX. It rose up yesterday, which means it sold off. And at the end of the day, we started buying back up. See that right there? But the VIX is always opposite. It's rise up. Whenever we get a fat ass impulse, we usually gonna be met by a nice downfall, which on the indices is gonna be some buying going on. You know, a lot of buying pressure. We have this devil mark on the 15-minute devil mark, but we also have this over here on Tuesday. Tuesday around 7:30, we left these equal highs right here, body highs. We're gonna mark that out too. Give me a second. A little late to the party. I don't know what the industry's doing, but feel me, we're not gonna rush it. We here every day. There's no point in rushing it, you dig? Just handle it how we handle it. Ah, shit. Not over there. This over here. That's letting us know our range. Now this one right here, this little top left corner, this VIX, it don't open up till 12:15. So realistically, we not too late. Feel me? We just missed a little open. This bottom left, that's a little bit more accurate for right now for our 11 o'clock time. But as we see, it's still on 10:45, so it doesn't even have any data for 11 o'clock yet. So we're not even tripping. Whatever price is doing, we cool because we're trying to move the line with the VIX. That it gives us higher confluence. Stop talking real quick. Get this situated, dude. 15. Okay, that's our range for this one over here. We rose up. We didn't tap the equilibrium last week's, but over here we did. We manipulated above it, and we bought up, and then yesterday you seen we was selling off. It was on some bullshit. Feel me? It could all just be manipulation, but the way this one looks right here, I wouldn't be too surprised. I would like to see us keep buying, but at the same time, because We got this flat shift from past day. This is a past day low, or really the past day high, probably. Yeah, this is the past day high, past day low. Let's go into higher time frame. See what we got going on. Higher time frame. Let me see. Moving like this. Hold on. Hold on. We got this flat shit down here. This is first and foremost, but they got wicks. That got wicks. So took this out. Took this liquidity out. And up here, this is daily liquidity from daily devil mark from the beginning of August. As we know, September's known to sell off, so I wouldn't be too surprised if we keep rising and get this. Alright, we got that. Delete that little arrow, I don't like that shit. Yeah, that's what we got going for this. It might not happen right now because London is tends to be manipulation, so we're not gonna force nothing. We're just gonna kick back and watch. But me personally, I'm paper trading right now. I mean, I'm not risking no real capital, but we're gonna treat it like it's really big. We got our daily mapped out. Let's see what we can map out for this. So we came down, we bought up, took out that high, we manipulated up, which is selling off. We manipulated, sold off, took this liquidity right here. Took that liquidity. Be able to get a change of standard delivery on the daily chart so far. So we got change of standard delivery. Going buy side. Ain't no telling if you're doing it yet. We'll see right now. Let's see if I gotta turn the music down a little bit. I know I gotta turn it down for me, but I don't know how y'all living. Turn that down like that. Focus a little bit better. It's our 15-minute. I feel like this some NLE choppers type shit. You see Asia's pretty flat right here. But we also have these double marks up here on Asia Open. So alright, that's what we got going on. See if the 10:45 we still didn't get no 11 o'clock open for the VIX. 10:50. It's over here playing. 11 o'clock. Yeah, no 11 o'clock action. Alright, now that we know what the indices is doing, this might just gap down when we got this fair value gap. If we would displace to this, then we're definitely going for buys. But I don't really see it gapping up. But we'll see. You know, you can't guess this shit. Man. Alright, now to the indices. I want to show you guys on the indices. We swept out Tuesday's high. That's past day high right here, past day low. So we swept out both the open and the high from Tuesday, yesterday. But on MYM, we let this daily PRC, PSP. We don't know yet until that motherfucker fall. It could be a PSP. But all the indices, all three manipulated above yesterday, past week's high. So can it retrace and sell off? It can, but we're very bullish right now. Very bullish right now. So I don't know. I don't know. We'll go kick back and watch. Remember, London is manipulation. So let's see what we do for London. 4 hour. The 4 hour is ranging a bit for me. This is staying in this little range so far. See we got no PSP PRCs right here, so we're just gonna kick back. We got this one right here. This is a PRC. I'm not gonna mark it right now, but that's what we got. I'm marking on the hourly. See, refine that. All right, on the hourly, you can see you got these equal lows right here on these equal lows from Asia. It was falling yesterday. This is our last push up for the week. It's our last push up for the week, and all three indices broke with a body high, but we have a swing divergence right here on the and a swing divergence on MYM. See that right there? It's like a little different, a little ugly. That's what we got going on for that. See, black. All these is black. This is blue. All these is black. So we're gonna mark this 1 hour PRC, PSP. Right here. This is also a PRC. On both sides though. I want to see us come up here. I want to see us continue to manipulate up here and then sell off probably around 12 o'clock. And then we'll sell off into, this is what I would like to see. Maybe, who knows what's going to happen. But we still got to look at the lower time frames. We got 5:15 a.m. news. What's that? The main refinance rate. Probably got some other stuff too. Check out the news with y'all real quick. See what we got going. Okay. Got the market sentiment. I see I'm over here talking and nobody told me that the motherfucking market sentiment was still covering the shit. I'm over here talking about the indices the whole time. That's my bad, my fault. I didn't even check it like that. So let's see what the news is talking about real quick. News. Wednesday we had PPI. We had RBNZ. Yeah, tomorrow Thursday, starting 5:15. We got some high impact news. We got all red folders. 5:15, 5:30, 5:45. So up until 6, we're gonna have some high impact shit going on. 7:30 for me is all yellow. It's looking like price gonna run through this shit. At 11 p.m. tomorrow we have high impact news. So tomorrow's probably gonna be a better day for London. And now we just kick it. I just kick it, see what price do. Maybe take read a little bit. We'll see. But now we check that out. What's going on. Let's back that out. My fault. As I was saying, look, on the daily, we got this daily PRC. So we want to see, we already got a wick above it on MQ and ES. YM. YM is down here, so we got a swing divergence. It's failing to get above this equilibrium. So maybe you just YM sells off and these two keep going, but I would like to see it be like a little false move to take out this past day low. We might not get it in this session, or it can be New York. We'll see when we get there. Back to what I was saying. We got a daily PRC right, daily PSP right here. We'll mark that out. See if price can get into this before selling off. Ooh. One hour USP, a little order block, whatever you want to call it. When my mentor showed me that that's the correct correlation film. So that's what I'm running with. Lock that up. I mean, not lock it up yet. Hold on. See that. Okay, like that. Like that, like that. It's ugly on YM. I might want to see YM run through that, to be honest. I might want to see it. I better lock them all up just so they can't move on us. See, it's a good target to run towards, but I already missed 11 p.m. and I'm not about to. I'm not about to. Not about to film on nothing. Not about to rush nothing. No point in doing that. I mean, price will be here tomorrow. It'll be here the next day. Like I said, tomorrow, that's the high impact shit. So let's go to our lower time frame and mark out our Asia stops. Got Asia. See, Asia already hasn't changed state of delivery yet, but it's like creating like a false high. Let's see though, because this could always get taken out. Like that is buy stops. Okay. Down here, got Asia sell stops. But I still gotta. Oh, okay. So right here, we got an SMT. What do we have though? Got an SMT right here. My quarterly chart is not showing up right now. But we see that ES took the low, YM took the low, but NQ failed to take the low. So we're definitely gonna buy up into this PSP. We missed out. It's all good. I wouldn't be too surprised if we go all the way and take Asia buy stops and manipulate above that. We do got some relative equal high shit right here. Some low resistance liquidity, and it's like it's not no devil mark, but it's a type devil mark when you consider it type shit. This one wicked out. Okay, this one's a little bit higher resistance, but at the same time, you know, I'm expecting all this to get bought up. Oh shit, my neck, my back. See what kind of SMT we got right here. It's the daily cycle SMT. We're just gonna mark this daily cycle. Daily cycle, daily cycle, daily cycle. Daily cycle. Right. See what we got. See what we got. So daily cycle means that this within this 15-minute chart, we can see we can expect this to expand. We look for more confirmation in the lower time frame, honestly. And I low key gonna mark out the 10 p.m. close just because it's something I like to do. 10 p.m. closed right here. That's a 1 to 5 right there. I'm already knowing it's 1 to 5 area. It's probably not there yet, but it's gonna be there. 10 p.m. close right here. That in the middle. Like I said, just like this. Okay, we like that. Now it just sold off right here. So you can't be too surprised if we continue to sell off. It's just an ugly sell off. But we do have this void right here, this 15-minute BPR. I mean, I wouldn't, this is a bigger void to fill. Again, we have that 515 news, so it doesn't have to happen right now. This could be manipulation. Just take us up, take us up, take us up, and then we sell us off. Sells off for sells off from New York. I want to measure this real quick, see what we got going, see what we missed out on. I apologize for being late. This 10 p.m. close, but it's the 10 p.m. last load. It's the last load for 10 p.m. So basically, Asia sell stops. See what happened. Typically, if you made it to on time to the party for 11 o'clock, you could just set your shit right here. You could have took this, wrote this out, grab this little void. This liquidity void right here. Liquidity void is something that price is gonna run back to and run through for me. See what we had going. Said I was gonna measure it. So here. That's 24 points. It's not too crazy. It wouldn't have got us our 1 to 5. But knows if it continues to buy up, it probably will. Especially because we have equal highs up here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna run and stop. Or we can get above these Asia buy stops and run down. That's more what I'm looking for. Hopefully for 12 a.m. Might not do it though. Let's see. See what price gives us. See a minute. That's on 5 minute. 5 minute. We had like a swing divergence right here. 5 minute, we have this shit right here. This was a 5 minute. This was a microcycle. Oh, wrong one. So yeah, this looks good for our 1 to 5 as far as criteria. Microcycle right here. See this one. Like it ran too. It ran this low too. Just ran this low. That over here on YM. So there was no cracking correlation with that. They were all the same. They're all the same. 90-minute. Yeah, it wasn't no double SMT like we would have liked. Wasn't really too much of a 90 either. I guess you could say that was a 90 right there. Yeah, it's a 90. Nice 90 cycle at the bottom. It's looking pretty valid. Yeah, that would have been an easy target. Easy target. It's all good though. We missed it. Can't trip off shit like that though. But like I said, it's gonna be right back here tomorrow with the high impact moves, so it's gonna be even better, bro. I apologize. I'm not getting in nothing right now. You can get in on some 1 minute shit. I'll wait for it to retrace though. I'm not buying none of this shit up. No, 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 not me, not me, not me. Looks nice though, looks good. 30 points right there. That's halfway to 1 to 5. Ooh, that was a perfect opportunity. See, I'm not in this. We just watching tape reading. Let me make sure it's known. The real spirit party, you cannot get in. Moses off the giant. Jesus off the gin. So right now what happened is we created a low resistance liquidity run, at least on the 5 minute. See, Asia was pushing low. And this right here was the last push low. And what happened? We got to change in state of delivery. Feel me? Change in state of delivery from 5 minute. By side, by side, by side, by side. And that's the reason why we pushing like that. Ooh, straight to Asia buy stops. Like it, we like it, we like it. It's a good watch right here. This shit better than Netflix. Says easy target. Target. Now the question is, are we gonna continue to manipulate above this 1 hour PSP, or are we gonna sell off from here? Because if we're gonna sell off and we round out, create a nice little scenario for us to buy that. It's probably not probably not though. It's probably just gonna retrace and keep buying up. This was all Asia accumulation. Sat right here, went up, barely took this high. They got a 3 drive pattern above this high, and then they fucking sold back off to the low without breaking a low, without truly breaking a low. I mean, it body broke this, but it didn't body break this wick right here. So at least on MQ, but ES and YM did. So this could sell off and good. But look at the pattern, bro. That shit look like it's gonna continue to buy. And probably continue to buy again tomorrow with the news. We'll see though. Just watching. I might just go make a yogurt boil because we got 30 minutes till 12 a.m. Y'all gonna rock with me till then. I appreciate it. But hit that follow button, fuck with a nigga. But if not, it was good seeing you. I'm about to go make this yogurt bowl real quick though. Got my little workout in. We manipulating back above the daily PRC. Well, I would like this to continue to buy up and sell off like around New York open, around pre-New York. We'll see though. We'll see. Yeah, let me be right back. Put my camera on. Gonna watch me eat. I was tired of streaming to zero. Let's change that. Only at nesna.com. Bro, just bring them niggas for me. I'm gonna make them some money. I'm not fucking with you though. I appreciate you watching if you watch. I'll turn my little webcam off. I'll be back. Look fire. Look at it pushing. Look at it go. Be right back. Third party.
تشوف حالي صعيب تفهم كلامي لو كنتي عايش غاني كبر وسط الريش اما انا غير درويش ديما طافل على الخرج وانا شغل شي واحد صغرياه ما كنت عارف والو كراش كوبريال وقت فهمنا حالو اما الفقر عرفنا غير بشيرو علي شاد سلطة علي شاد بيرو اما هو شاد كيرا غير مخوتو كل واحد فيهم كيتمنى موتو كلشي باغي يدير كلشي باغي يوصل مكاينش المدلك الدين تيبقى حاصل وبقى مربع يديك وبقى تشوف بعينيك الا عليتي صوتك غيطفيوهم ليك راك فهمتي وشامي بلا ما كتر في الماني هادشي بارك عليك ولفت زمان ما انت غادي تلقاني سير حبيت وطاني هو كما بهاني سولت الدنيا والحياة
Stay down in the trap. Nobody gonna watch my back like me. I can broke my knee. Fucking neck. Oh. White stops right here. Would still like to see this 1 to 5 target get hit. I don't think we're gonna reverse right now, but I wouldn't be too surprised if we did. I'm hoping for this to be a retracement to continue to buy up. Have to tap out. I'm pretty sure we're gonna buy up into here, but that 515 news, that's gonna be more optimal of a position. I have to click. Pretty sure we should get up to the 1 to 5, reverse in here. We might come back down and retest this order block. See what the 1 hour is looking like. Now it's looking like it's setting up some buys. This PSP is looking like it's going to be used as a breaker block into this buy stops, manipulate up here, and possibly sell off for 515. I'm not about to wait 5 hours for that shit to happen though, so more power to if you are. I would take little buys right here up into these buy stops, but that wouldn't be our primary target or primary position or most optimal entry is really what I should say. We have equal liquidities, equal highs right here on YM. ES is taking out the equal highs, but it still has low resistance right here. And MNQ has low resistance right there. Like this BPR will get traded back into. Probably better position waiting. So we missed this. Probably get some better entries during 5, 6, 6:45, 7 o'clock. More optimal entries. So I'm probably gonna close out right here. Just gave me a good yoga bowl. I'll set a buy just for those shits and giggles. It's not gonna be a 1 to 5. Yeah, I'm paper trading. Let's say premium price is 20 points. Didn't trade the rest of the week. Beginning of the week. So just kicking it. You can sell off right here. That would be funny. But hey, wake up in the morning and see what happens. The workout. The rest of this 5 minutes should be distribution. Taking out the lowest liquidity right now. We are above this. It's a buy stop still. So too much. I'm about to close out. Go to bed. Try to wake up at 5. Miss it. Apologize. I'll be back tomorrow. Be on tomorrow. Probably back testing the majority of the day. Right now, appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate you fucking with me. I ain't good riddance.